Today is Sex Education Day, class. The boys are with Principal Weatherby, the poor bastard, and I'll be teaching you ladies. This is the vagina. We've lost Miss Cooper. Any other shrinking violets ready to tap out?
Excuse me, but shouldn't we learn about sex from someone experienced?
I think what Veronica means is the modern sexual experience is likely somewhat different than what you grew up with.
I'll have you know I had sex last week. Teamwork, boys, teamwork! Let me juggle them balls.
Yup, that's hot.
Ah, to hell with this. I wonder how the bee is doing.
Raise your hand if you've seen porn. It will never be that good.